Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Army's new Lowa smart factory will increase 155mm ammunition output, modernize production and scale for wartime demand. The US Army's future artillery complex in Iowa is designed to increase 155mm ammunition output and give the production base greater flexibility as military demand changes. The line will combine smart factory automation, digital monitoring and established manufacturing processes in a single end-to-end facility. Construction of the facility began in July. Once completed, the complex will produce several 155mm melt-pour ammunition variants and scale between minimum sustaining rates and wartime surge demand. That scalability is central to the Army's plan for a more resilient artillery industrial base. It will allow the facility to adjust output while using personnel, equipment and materials more efficiently. Digital systems will connect each stage of manufacturing and enable data to move across the production line. Real-time monitoring will give operators continuous visibility into production activity. Intelligent automation will be used extensively during energetic operations. The Army expects the technology to improve safety, efficiency and throughput. The complex will manage the full production cycle under one program. It will cover component and subcomponent assembly, energetic loading, projectile conditioning and final packaging. The facility will span 201.6 acres and include 13 buildings. It will provide 123,200 square feet of operational production space. The new line will replace the Iowa Army Ammunition Plant's World War II-era M795 facility, which is nearing the end of its operational life after repeated upgrades. Construction of the multi-million-dollar project began on July 15. The complex was designed with the U.S. Army Combat Capabilities Development Command's Armaments Center and prime contractor MSM North America. The program is led by the Portfolio Management Executive for Ammunition and Energetics and the DEFCOM Armaments Center. We are not simply modernizing another manufacturing facility. We are strengthening America's defense industrial base, increasing our nation's readiness, and making a lasting investment in national security, said Major General Christopher Schneider, Portfolio Acquisition Executive for Agile Sustainment and Ammunition and Commanding General of Picatinny Arsenal, New Jersey. The Army said the flexible production line will increase the total 155mm ammunition stockpile. It is intended to provide a scalable supply of artillery munitions for decades. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.